Hello people. Welcome to Machine Talks. I hope you all are safe and healthy. In today's Machine Talks, we will learn about machine learning in more details. So, without wasting much time, let me take you to Mr. Andrew's lecture.
Hello folks, welcome back. I'm Andrew, your mentor for today's lecture. In previous lecture, we covered what is machine learning. If you missed that video, you can click the link at the top right corner. After basic understanding of machine learning, today we will find out how does machine learning work. I hope you remember Miss Julia and Mr. Samir. If not, please visit previous lecture. Link will be available at the top right corner. So let's use the machine learning algorithm that teaches computer to think in a similar way to how humans do, learning and improving upon past experiences. It works by exploring data, identifying patterns, and involving minimal human intervention. We will use the machine learning concept to recognize their faces. Pretend we have been asked to build a system that can easily identify faces and answer who is Miss Julia and who is Mr. Samir. Let's understand the workflow of machine learning. The first step is data gathering. You can say data collection as well. Machine learning algorithm requires an enormous amount of data to function. Here we have image of Julia and Samir, from which we will record some features like eye color, skin color for now. We determine the values of the colors and save them in tabular form. Moving to second step, that is data preparation, where we do data cleansing. We remove noise or unwanted data from our dataset. A data will be collected on multiple images of Julia and Samir, so our machine can easily predict who is Julia and who is Samir. We load our data to suitable place and prepare for use it in our machine learning training. Moving ahead in workflow, we will do splitting of data in two sections, one for training and other for testing. If we have 1,000 pictures of Julia and Samir, we can preserve 80% for training and 20% for testing. Training, testing, what does it mean? I know there would be a lot of questions. Let me tell you what is train and test here. These are methods to measure the accuracy of your model. Train the model means create the model. And test the model means test the accuracy of the model. We have covered so far data gathering, data preparation, data splitting, create a model, train a model. So I guess we are good to move ahead. Here we are providing testing data and training data to our model. Have you noticed that training and testing data are different? We train our model with a lot of random images of people, so our model can learn and identify a pattern to recognize Julia and Samir's face. What is model I'm talking about? It's nothing. Selecting an algorithm to analyze the data. There are so many machine learning algorithms out there, such as decision tree, neural network, etc. etc. Each algorithm has pros and cons in terms of accuracy and performance. So we will build a model using algorithm which is already available in machine learning. Once we have our model ready, it's time to make predictions. We will ask a model, is this input image of Julia or Samir? Our model will make a prediction. Prediction is not always accurate in the beginning. So to make it most accurate, we evaluate the prediction and measure their accuracy. Then we get back to our model and either select a different algorithm that we will be going to produce most accurate results, or We fine-tune the parameters of our model. Yes, so each model has parameters that we can modify to optimize their accuracy. Let's revisit all these steps again. Get data, prepare data, train model, test data, and evaluation and improvement. These are the soul of your machine learning model. Slow claps for everyone because we have learned machine learning workflow where we cover essential steps required to accomplish a machine learning based project. Great! We have an improved understanding of machine learning now. I hope you found this lecture full of knowledge. Feel free to tell us if you would like to know something more from today's topic. I'll see you in the next lecture. Goodbye.
Thank you, Mr. Andrew. So people, please note down today's assignment. Watch this video again to understand the workflow of machine learning and share your ideas in the comments section that what kind of machine learning model you would like to build.
Thank you. Visit again.